Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about Calbiotech Thyroid Peroxidase IgE ELISA Kit. Now you can see this is the box of the kit. This is the top view. You can find the brand name over here, Calbiotech. And I'm just going to show you the side view of the boxes. Yeah, this is the side view. You can see the brand name over here. And over here you can find the product name Thyroid Peroxidase IgE ELISA Kit. And this is the reference number TPO69G, and this should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, so that only I am using the ice pack to maintain the temperature. Yeah, over here you can find the product content, what are the product present inside it. Yeah, it comes up with a coated well plate and control standard set, enzyme conjugate, wash buffer and stop solution, substrate and certificate of analysis. These are the components present inside the box. This is a C certified IVD product. At the bottom you can find the manufacturing details. This is the content present in this side. Over here you can find the website of the Calbiotech. This is the overall content present in the box. Now I am just going to unbox this for your reference. At the top you can see the instruction manual for Calbiotech Thyroid Peroxidase IgE ELISA Kit. It comes up with a catalog number TPO69G. This is the instruction manual. I am just going to place this aside. After that, you can see certificate of analysis and component present inside the box. I am just going to place this aside. After that, this is the 96 well plate, ELISA plate. You can see the reference number TP117AG. And here you can see that this is TPO coated well, and this should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. I am just going to place this aside. After that, we can see TMB substrate. This is of 12 ml. You can see the brand name and reference number CC956TM. I'm just going to place this aside. After that, you can see the IgG sample diluent, and this reference number is CC600DJ. This is of 22 ml. I'm just going to place this aside. This is enzyme conjugate. This is of 12 ml. This reference number is CC602GG. After that, this is stop solution. This is of 12 ml. This is wash concentration 20x. This is of 25 ml. This is TPO IgG negative control. This is of 1 ml. You can see the reference number TP417NG and brand name Calbiotech. This is TPO IgG calibrator of 1 ml. This is TPO IgG positive control 1 ml. To summarize it, inside the pack you will get one instruction manual and one certificate of analysis and TMB substrate, was concentration 20x, IgG sample diluent, enzyme conjugate, stop solution, IgG negative control, IgG positive control, and TPO IgG calibrator and 96 well plate. These are the overall content present inside the box. Thank you.